Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet another video. If you guys are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and consider liking this video. In today's video, I'm going to go over the top 5 reasons why I hate my BMW F Series. And in this case, I have a BMW F10. It's a 2016 BMW 535 XDrive with the M Sport package. All right, this time we're going to start with number 5 and work our way down. And number 1 will be the most hated thing on my BMW F10. But starting with number 5, and that is the surround view camera. So my car has the surround view camera option, which is great. I can see my left side, I can see my right side, I can see my back side. I cannot see the freaking front of the car. It is the most stupid design. I don't know why it's not a 360 camera. It's technically a 270-degree surround view camera on my BMW F10. The F10 is a big car. It needs the 360 camera. I can't believe that this car doesn't have it, and the F15 or the X5 does. Such a stupid design. I have no clue why it doesn't have it. It's literally a black box that I'll show on the screen in the front of the car. It's like, why couldn't you include a camera there? And there's apparently no way of retrofitting it, so correct me if I'm wrong, because I'd love to retrofit a 360 camera into this car. Moving on to the 4th reason I hate my BMW F10, and that is the cup holders. The cup holders in this car are in a good spot, but they are god-awful. They don't hold drinks. They're hard to pull drinks up. They're hard to sit drinks in. They just suck. You can clearly tell that the cup holders in the F10 were an afterthought, like most BMWs. Yes, my E46 cup holders suck. At least in my E46, I can pull out my drink. In the F10, it literally is stuck in there. It sucks. The 3rd reason why I hate my BMW F10 is the overall size is a little too big. I think this car in general, as a daily driver, is a little too big. I think the F30 is too small and the F10 is too big. I'd like somewhere right in the middle. I know they make the 4 Series Grand Coupe. That probably would have been the perfect car. However, the F10, for me at least, is just a tad too big. And again, obviously having the surround view cameras definitely help on a car like this, but still just a tad too big. So we'll see what happens with the next car, maybe a 3 Series, because I know the 3 Series are growing a little bit, but a little too big for me. The 2nd reason why I hate my BMW, and something I should have known before I bought my car, but I didn't. I don't know if it would have changed my opinion on buying the car, but something I wish I knew. If you have a car that is equipped with the M Sport package and XDrive, you don't actually get the M Sport suspension. So you don't get the M Sport struts, you don't get the M Sport wishbone suspension, you just get the package or the aesthetics look of the car. And obviously you get the transmission, the sport shifting and stuff like that, and the steering wheel and the headliner. You got all the aesthetic things and just a little bump in performance. But the biggest thing that you're missing is you don't get the freaking M Sport suspension. And one of the reasons I wanted an M Sport car is the package is very expensive. I think it's a $3,500 package from the factory. Obviously I bought my car used and that didn't matter, but still it's a very expensive package, and the car doesn't have M Sport suspension, all because I got XDrive. I wouldn't change getting XDrive. I absolutely love XDrive, but something to know, and something that should definitely be more clear when you're buying a car, especially one of this nature, that your M Sport package car does not have M Sport suspension if your car has XDrive. Moving on to the 1st reason and the last reason why I hate my BMW F10, and another thing based off the packages that I bought, I got my car with the LED lighting package, which I really wanted. I wanted the LED headlights. I thought they would be amazing and a big improvement over the xenon headlights. I was so wrong. While the LED package and the LED headlights look really cool, I really like the way the front end looks with it, the light output at night sucks. And I mean it sucks. I was next to a 535, exact same car, LCI version 2, so pretty close to what I have, with xenon headlights, and the lights were throwing farther, and I could definitely tell that the xenon equipped car were brighter. Everyone says that the LED headlights on the F10 are great. I don't think so. They're Gen 1, they're just not that great. The newer BMWs are really good, but the F10 LED headlights, I think they suck. They're just, the light output's odd, they're not good. And the other stupid thing is, so when you get the LED headlights, it's part of the LED lighting package is what BMW calls it. So the whole car is LED, tail lights, turn signals, LED license plate lights. The only thing exterior that is not LED is the freaking backup lights, or the reverse lights are still halogen. How? It's so stupid. That and the interior lights are still halogen. I don't understand why they call it an LED lighting package when only some things are lighting or LED. So I'd skip this package, not worth it. And like I said, the light output sucks. Yes, they may look cool, but they suck. Before I close out this video, I want to give a bonus thing that I hate about the car, and that is how narrow the trunk is. I understand this is a 5 Series, it's a bigger car. The trunk is so freaking narrow. The trunk really isn't that big for being a 5 Series. Obviously, I understand there's a lot of electronics and stuff hidden on the left and right side of the car, but really they should have made the trunk bigger. With that being said, it's time to close out the video. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, give this video a huge thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Check out all my good links down in the description as they help out the channel at no cost to you and allow me to fund my channel and continue making awesome content. So I just want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.